Hey guys, Victor G is back here with another exciting Toyota Tundra video. So I've researched some pumps and I found on Mercedes and Jaguar forums that the guys are switching up the stock Bosch pump for an upgraded one. So I bought one and today I'm gonna flow test and see if the rumors are true and if this other Bosch pump is the bee's knees, and maybe it's something to consider when installing the supercharger kit, especially the Magnuson one. I'm not sure what the Whipple and Harrop come with stock, I have no idea, but the Magnuson one has the 002 Bosch one. So let's flow test them and see. So this is my jig, my setup. So we have a power supply set at 13 volts even, and it supplies power to the pump. This is the 9-year-old one from my TRD kit that I originally installed. And we have a very scientific bucket of water. It's filled up to this white line, and then there is another white line way down towards the bottom. I don't want to empty it completely because then the pump's going to be kind of sucking air towards the end. So once we get to that white line right in the middle of my screen, we're gonna stop the timer. All right, let's fire it up and see what happens. She's pumping quick. And that's the crappy one. I wonder how quick the good one is gonna be. A lot of flow. And there goes Mark. Alright, so I timed this with a stopwatch and it was 31.2 seconds. So let's set up the new Bosch pump and see what happens. Upgraded Bosch. Well, this thing is pumping pretty hard. I like it. It's a lot of intercooler fluid. Okay, that's Mark. Well, that guy did 27 seconds. It's definitely an improvement. Okay, I ran each test on each pump 3 times and I averaged the results for, consistent numbers. And what I've come up with is the upgraded Bosch flows exactly 10% more than the stock Bosch that's supplied with the Magnuson kit. Is that a huge difference? No, it isn't. Definitely not as much difference as I thought it would be. But I already spent, the $100 on it, so I might as well go and install it. All right, so now that we've established that this upgraded pump flows a little bit more, we're gonna go ahead and install it. There's the part number. And one thing that's different is the inlet and outlet is a little bit different, but you can fit a 3/4 inch hose over it regardless. And also the connector is different, so I ended up soldering some wires to it, or you can get the connector from like a Mercedes or whatever this is supposed to go into, but I just ground it down a bit, soldered a couple nice wires to it, and gonna throw it into the truck here. Alright guys, so I got it all reassembled. There's our new and improved intercooler coolant pump hiding down there, pumping away, and we are back in business, flowing some nice coolant. See you on the next episode. Cheers.